Hey guys, hope you are doing great and welcome to Corporate. So today we are going to learn about lists, both numbered list and both unordered list. So the delving right into the video. So how to make list? So to make list, first we have to select text object. Now there are two ways to select text object as I told in my earlier video, which is you just select text object right from here, or the second way is that you just select text by clicking T on your keyboard. So after you select the textbook, you just make it for a fixed length, and then what you do is you just scroll down a bit on your design panel, and what you do is you click on these three dots inside the text option for text. Just click on the bottom right three dots, and you do this. You do a list. Go to list style, and then you choose either your bulleted list or the numbered list, whatever list you want to make. So I chose a bulleted list. So you see, the bullet comes up in the text object. So now let's suppose you are making a list of some fruits. So you write your list like banana or orange or papaya, and press enter, and write watermelon or like yeah, mango, and it's not that I don't know like much fruit names. So that is how we make a bullet list. Now, how do we make a numbered list? We will follow the same steps, almost the same steps. I just choose a text object by clicking T on my keyboard, and then I went there and I chose numbered list this time. So number one, and then you enter, and you see, just like the bulletin list came up again and again after clicking enter, in the similar manner, the numbers also keep coming, but they increase by one. So you just write number two here, then press enter, and number three here, and number four here, and number five here. So that's how you make a numbered list, and you can also increase or decrease the spacing between the list items. So how you do that? You do that by using the list spacing property of the lists. So you increase list spacing by 10 pixel, by 20 pixel, or by 24 pixel, like if you use 8-point grid. So that's how you use. And if you have watched the previous video, you know how to fix this thing. You just click on the auto hide button. So that is how you make lists and number list and unordered list. And if you want that after clicking next, you just don't want one more bullet list to come. You just press up escape button once, and then you can do whatever you want, like start a new paragraph or anything like that. So that is how you do. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. So that was how to make numbered list and bullet list in Figma. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really love you guys. That's what I tell you in every video before finishing, because I really do. So thank you guys. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Really appreciate that.